Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the silverware basket in a Maytag dishwasher. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a minute or two to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new silverware basket. The silverware basket is placed inside the lower dish rack. It holds silverware in the upright position. The main reasons to replace the silverware basket are if the basket is broken and is not holding items or is missing. To get to the part, we need to open the dishwasher door. Now going to roll out the lower rack, and we can lift up and out the silverware basket. This is the old silverware basket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. And now we're going to install the new basket into this dish rack. Put it right there. There's this opening on the side. And we can push in the dish rack. And now we can close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.